Annyeonghaseyo everyone. So today we're going to study the new books, Science and English.
How many positive factors are does 64 heads? Bisa din siya Find the sum of all integers from 1 to 200. All integers equals 200,000. Ano siya answer ba?
No. Wala lagi na siya answer. Ano answer?
Another.
Gara. Oh, mga bibilunyan. Tugaya din ang mas maths. Mga tigwang tuga. Tanong.
Mga tigawang na ganito.
3,500 BCE.
Right.
Siya, ang mga tigwang na ba no? Ito,
Language, science, practice, mathematics, greatest. So D ay. So D7 kabo ka. How many?
Kani ang nagawa ang 2 kay isa. D? Yung
B.
D.
Tama ba? Bisag D.
Ako ako. Kay 1 to 2,000. B isa.
B.
Malay. Okay. Ini na siya from 1 to 2,000. So 2,000 na siya po.
So B, uy.
Ay, B.
How many 5, 6 are there in 10? 112. Tama ba? Nag-feel ko 112.
3 by 2.
The integer from 1 to 100 are printed in LS. So many times is that? Digit
880 magic.
180. Ay, B o C, ay. 12. Maybe 200. 5 minutes. 5.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are going to introduce ourselves.
My name is Jamie.
My name is Luigi.
My name is Shinmi.
My name is Samantha. And we are going to memorize a story.
And answer my homework.
Charis. Kenapa na to? Isa itong story eh.
Sabi.
Ito paragraph.
Jadi paragraph mo gani.
Kung sa kuan to man niyo to paragraph raman ta kay nag-an to man tato niyo. Ito na ko tong gikuan eh. Bisig. Tara ay.
Asa din nagpuyo sila Angel.
Aeroplane mode is on.
Wait.
This is our story.
Asa din nagpuyo
The
sila
title is Balik.
Sorry ba?
Basahin na to 1, 2, 3, go.
Ano na yan na?
Title.
Gopo
The Bear's Lesson. One sunny day, two best friends named Jack and Tom went on a journey through the forest. While walking, they saw a big bear coming towards them. Both friends were very scared. Tom ran away and climbed a tall tree to hide. Jack felt sad that his best friend had left him alone. Suddenly, a good idea came to Jack's mind. He lay on the ground and pretended to be dead. The bear came close to Jack and smelled him. Tom, who was watching from the tree, saw the bear whisper something in Jack's ear. After a while, the bear left. Tom climbed down from the tree and went to Jack. He asked Jack, "What did the bear say to you?" Jack replied, "The bear said not to abandon friends in times of trouble."
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. My name is Arjun from level 3. My name is Jada from level 3. My name is Shane from level 3. My name is Lawrence from level 1.
And we are going to study.
There once was a hard land that they survived in mind control. Nature